Okay. Good morning, teacher. This is my project and the Solar Roadways. At first, what is the Solar Roadways project? It's a project developed by Solar Roadways Inc. And they make the idea of solar powered road panels to form a smart highway. The panel, I'm sorry, have this structure. Okay, in the front part, it has a glass surface. After that, this part, the LEDs with it supports a structure like a control panel. And finally, the last, a base layer made of recyclable materials with connection of basin water collection. Okay. Um, the purpose. It's a big project, organized by Brussels companies and with the support of Indiegogo. The principal objective is change of the roadways in USA. We can apply this project in Colombia. For this reason, I work of this project because for me I like too much. The principal objective is change all the roadways in USA that contain asphalt for the new panel scope. This is the purpose. The scope. The models includes ways, park, sidewalks, courts, the recycle, the drainage, and the electricity production, with cleaning energy, of course, of all these items. The success criteria. It is the most important aspect to view the approbation of people, principally. The people who support the project think that the affected people will like the project because it produces energy itself. It are not dirty. It recycle a big quantity of glass and a lot of benefits. The solar panel that you can drive, park, and walk on. They melt snow and cut greenhouse gas by 35%. It's the reality of the solar panels. Okay, for the success criteria, we can save the safe electricity, roads without snow to the cars, illuminated roads to highways and cars who traveling all night, and recycling of glass. The milestones, the history, the process who begin this company. In 2006, the company was founded by Scott and Julie Rousseau, and Scott is the president actually. In 2009, the Solar Roadways received a 100,000 Small Business Innovation Research grant from the Department of Transportation, or DOT, for phase 1 to develop and build a solar parking lot. In 2011, Solar Roadways received 750,000 SBIR grants from the DOT for phase 2 to develop and build a solar parking. The DOT distinguishes the technology proposed by Solar Roadways Inc. as solar power application in the roadway, as compared to a number of other technologies. In these years, the design of this model was presented to Esbayer, a small business innovation. And the next years, make the first prototype of panels in the real life. Uh, the Solar Roadways project has built 12 by 60 foot parking lot covered with hexagonal glass covered. The solar panel sittings of top on a concrete base, which are heated to help remove snow and ice, and also include LEDs to display messages. At the next years, in 20, 2012, improve the model parking with small panels, more thickness and resistance. The hexagonal shapes allows for better coverage on curves on hills. According to the results, the panel can sustain 250,000 kilograms of load. In the 2015, the new era, Solar Orbit started a crowdfunding drive and Indiegogo to raise so they can get the product into production. In May, it was extended by another 30 days. The campaign raised $2.2 million, exceeding its target of $1 million. And wait, principally they wait for the final result of DOT planning because they need approbation to continue with the construction. This is the parking that Julie and Scott Brousseau built, and this is a demo of that. That panels are very strong, and this video show us the construction of every panel. I am going to show a little part of the video. It is a recycled glass. It is the production with the panels. If you want, I am going to show the links to you can see the videos. And the last part of the presentation, the team. Scott and Julie Brousseau, they are the founders and the designers in the Google Corporation. He manages the marketing and the control of donation for the project. The DOT, of course, the Department of Transportation, and the SBIR. Convoluters of Indiegogo. The stakeholders, the Department of Transportation, of course, the Small Business Innovation Research, SBIR, Indiegogo beneficiaries and co-donors in the project, and no more. And the users, animals, kids, people who stay on traffic in the big cities, people who do long travels in USA ways, and anybody. The resources, as they may cost near to 60 millions of dollars to begin, when the first real project has been approved, it will be in 2 or 3 years, covering the 1% of USA ground. The constructs, the future approbation, the project and the prototypes are already, and it functionally it's good. It's possible make the roads with the panels and the community, the placement of the people with the installation, and the risk, the durations of and maintenance of the glass, the extreme temperatures and its damage to microprocessors, and this maintenance, thieves and saboteur and losses of energy. The new era coming soon. This is the result. I am going to show this video in my description. I hope that you like it, that project. Thanks.